Hey, Curl Fam. Can you believe we're almost at the end of this year? And with the holiday season right around the corner, I thought I'd give you some curly hair hairstyles that you can try on your next special event. Keep on watching.
Drop it in the water, let the daughter find an image with the rest. She'll be learning how to breathe. Spinning through identity, reveal another pretty little scheme. Save her mind, hold her hand, and don't believe a lie. You understand me. Walk her down the valley, pack a piece of heaven for the bottoms of her feet. Teach her how to jump and how to stretch when she reach, like the angels do, and you gon' make it through now. Tell about the healer, greater is the one within and call him as the leader. Teach her how to hold a pretty hand up to the sky, and never wait upon the giver, he'll deliver like a dealer. To take her higher, higher, fly out the valley and the fire. Take her higher, higher, fly up out the valley and the fire. Train her feet for running, show her every door and how the windows let the sun in. Copy out the key and tell her this is for becoming. Even in the fever, baby, cry and get to running. And tell her that you better get your bootstraps up, you're with the army. Ready when the truth act up, nothing can harm me. Yelling from the roof I touch, put up a guarding. Count to 10, lion's den, speaking with the higher pen. Can't be touched by fire then. Fast forward to the grown things now. I'm working on them soul things now. Forgiving all your old ways, but it's harder on the cold days. Cold days. Never been a product of a flawless environment. Never acted like I'm higher than you. And I still pray, dear God, won't you send me a break? Cause I need to get away, yeah. Dear God, won't you send me a break? Cause I need to get away, yeah. Cause I would rather be running away. I would rather be running. Dear God, won't you send me a break? Cause I need to get away. I need to get away now. I need to get away now.
Steadily changing, it's making me better. I'm turning a new thing, it's making me stronger, yeah. Christ is in my life, for I'm good, yeah. Christ is in my life, for I'm good, yeah. Ooh, wow, I can understand, you're a perfect man. Got the whole world in your hands, but you still reaching out for me. Ooh, wow, why you love me too? I'm nothing like you. Opposite of holiness was what I was, but until you see my soul and could you see why? Hold my hand high, could you see the eye? And now I'm better. No longer what I used to be better. Steadily changing, it's making me better. I'm turning a new thing, it's making me stronger, yeah. Christ is in my life, for I'm good, yeah. Christ is in my life, for I'm good, yeah. I'm good. want July, so I'm good, even live my life for the other night. I'm good, 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 I'm good. Hush, this is my life, I'm through my soul, so stop asking me perfect. I'm a picture of the stars dancing. It's true. I'm steadily changing. It's making me better. I'm turning a new thing. It's making me stronger. Yeah, yeah. That's this in my life for him. Yeah. That's this in my life for him. Yeah. Now listen, daughter, pay attention, pray and listen, hear your father. These lies they told are so familiar, they will haunt you, they will kill you, keep you hostage, king will heal you. Before him, adore him, he will give you everything. Come and take your
Can't keep
wedding going back to what I used to know. But please hold my hand as I go down this road. Can't keep going back to what I used to know. Lord, please hold my hand as I go down this road.
Well, that's it. Make sure to drop a comment and let me know which hairstyle you like the most. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and hit that bell notification for the next time I upload. See you on my next one. Bye.